How's it going, everybody? Landon with LMR.com. In this video, I'll be taking a look at this fuse panel cover from 5.0 Resto, designed for the 1991 to 1998 Mustangs. This fuse panel cover is on the simple side of things, but it is one that is often missing or broken amongst Fox body and SN95 Mustangs. 5.0 Resto's cover is going to be molded in black plastic just like the factory and incorporates most of the very small details. Taking a closer look at the cover, you'll find that the face has the correct fuse mapping for easy troubleshooting. On the back side of the cover is the nifty fuse removal tool, and of course, you even get a few provisions so you can keep some extra fuses properly secured in the car. As far as fitment is concerned, this fuse panel cover will fit all 1991 to 1998 Mustangs. Of course, the cover easily pops into place, giving your Fox body's interior a complete look again. To see more how-to and review videos covering industry-leading products, be sure and subscribe to our YouTube channel, like this video, and don't forget to turn on notifications. While you're at it, check out our other videos, and don't forget to shop LMR.com for all things 1979 to present Mustang and SVT Light.